In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar tips and tricks. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events showing up inside Google Calendar so you can see everything in one place and avoid double booking. First, we'll publish your Outlook Calendar so Google can subscribe to it. In the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open Settings, then choose Calendar, and go to Shared Calendars. Look for the section labeled Publish a Calendar. Select the calendar you want to share from the drop-down. For permissions, choose something like Can View All Details if you want full event information to appear. You'll see links generated for your calendar. Make sure you copy the ICS link, not the HTML one. The ICS link is the format Google Calendar can subscribe to. If you ever rotate or regenerate this link later, remember you'll need to update it in Google as well. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left, find Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose from URL. Paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook, then click Add Calendar. Google will create a new calendar for these events. Give it a clear name, something like Outlook Work or Outlook Personal, so you can recognize it at a glance. You can also assign a distinct color to help separate it from your existing Google calendars. A quick note about how this works behind the scenes: subscriptions to ICS feeds are typically read-only, and updates aren't always instant. Google checks the feed periodically, so changes you make in Outlook might take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to appear in Google Calendar. If something doesn't show up right away, that delay is normal. The benefit is a unified view of your schedule across both platforms, which goes a long way toward preventing double booking. If you prefer working primarily in Outlook on your desktop, there's another option to consider. In some cases, you can add your Google account directly in Outlook under Account Settings to sync Mail, Contacts, and your Google Calendar. This route can be more complex to set up and manage, but it can provide deeper two-way integration if that's what you need. To recap, thanks for watching.